In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change to another number on WhatsApp and keep your chats secure and safe. Changing your WhatsApp number is crucial for maintaining privacy, security, and personal boundaries. Whether you've encountered privacy breaches, security concerns, or simply want to limit who can contact you, a number change offers a fresh start. To do this, simply head into your WhatsApp. On your settings page, tap onto the option of account. On this page, you will have to select on the fourth option of change number. Tap on next and you will be required to enter your old number first. Then proceed to entering your new number right here. Tap on next and a verification code will be sent to the new number to verify before transfer on data. To ensure secure data transfer such as your chat history, group history, and among others, make sure to avoid glitches such as poor internet connection while changing your number. That's how easy it is to change to another WhatsApp number. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.